very good morning to all of you. Today, I with my group members are going to present a presentation on the topic latent heat of vaporization. First of all, the question arises in my mind: what is latent heat? What is vaporization? Oh, now we will learn this topic in detail by Abhinav.
Latent heat is the amount of heat supplied to an object for changing its state. Latent heat is of two types. The first, latent heat of fusion. Second, latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of fusion. In latent heat of fusion, when a substance is provided heat energy, its temperature does not rise. This is because the heat energy we have provided to the substance is used for overcoming the forces of attraction between the particles. And second type is latent heat of vaporization, in which a liquid when supplied to in which a liquid when supplied heat energy, it changes into gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. In this case also, the temperature does not rise because the heat energy provided is used for overcoming the forces of attraction.
Now we will learn about vaporization by Priyanka. Vaporization is the change of liquid state into gas by applying some heat to the liquid so that it changes into gas. Thank you. Now we will learn boiling point by water.
Water normally exists in liquid state. If we go on heating the water, the water changes into gas or steam. Water changes into gas or steam. In this case, the liquid state changes to gas, a change of state has been taking place. The process in which a liquid state changes into gas is called boiling. So when water boils and changes to gas on heating is called boiling point of a liquid. A change of state takes place during boiling. A change of state takes place during boiling. The boiling point of a liquid stays at very fixed temperature. The temperature at which liquid boils and changes into gas at atmospheric temperature is known as boiling point of a liquid.
Now we will learn the examples by Nakul.
Some examples of vaporization. Vaporization in daily life. When we get out of a shower, water evaporates and our body dries. Vaporization in fire extinguisher. When the trigger is pulled, the liquefied form of CO2 is released in lower environment and it evaporates, which turns into gas. Evaporation at home. When we boil water, it evaporates and turns into gas. Evaporation in atmosphere. Raindrops fall on ground and again absorbed by the sun, and it fall again. This process repeat again and again. This process is also known as water cycle.
Now we will more done by the activity. First of all, we will take the thermometer and burn the burner.
Note down the initial reading of the thermometer.
The initial reading of the thermometer is 35 degrees. So now we will heat the water and know it's every minute. After a minute, the reading is 48 degrees Celsius.
Now we will check the another reading after another minute. Can anyone tell what is the reading? It's 51 degrees.
After a minute, the reading is 51 degrees Celsius.
So what is happening?
The temperature rises about
Rising. Why it is rising?
Because the temperature of water. Because the heat is providing to the
Because you are providing heat to the water. Give everyone a chance to check the reading.
Now, can anyone tell what is the reading?
Manvi.
59 degrees Celsius.
Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 59 degrees Celsius.
And now can anyone tell what is the reading?
60.
63 degrees.
Now, can anyone tell?
It is 70 degrees.
Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 70 degrees Celsius. Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 73 degrees Celsius. Now, anyone can tell the reading? Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 80 degrees Celsius. Now, anyone can tell the reading? Yes.
It's about 84 degrees.
Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 84 degrees Celsius.
Also give a chance to the students who are at the back. Come forward and check the reading. करेंगे तो सीखेंगे ना.
Now, can anyone tell the reading? Now, after a minute, the reading goes to 87 degrees Celsius.
Manvi.
Now, can anyone tell the reading? It's 94 degrees Celsius after a minute. Now after a minute the reading goes to 97 degrees.
Can you see the bubbles which have started coming?
Now bubbles and steam is producing.
Steam is being produced. What is happening to the water?
Water is boiling.
Boiling. And you please concentrate on the reading as well. So it will.
Now can anyone tell me?
99 degrees Celsius.
After a minute the reading goes to
Now you'll have to take quickly.
99.
One.
Yes, and then
it's 100 degrees.
100.
Now the water, after a minute the water comes to the 100 degrees Celsius.
अभी भी 1 minute है. Keep checking. Concentrate on the reading.
99 degrees.
Now can anyone tell what is the reading?
The pressure is 100 degrees.
100 degree.
It's 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature at stopped at 100 degrees Celsius. So we learn that the boiling point of the 100 is water. Water is 100 degrees Celsius.
So the water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius, as well as this reading has become constant. Okay, so what is this?
Latent vaporization.
Good.
Now it's time for the quiz. First of all, question number 1. Latent heat of vaporization of water is yes, 100 degrees Celsius. What is the boiling point of the water? What do you understand by the term latent heat?
Latent heat means hidden heat.
Define the boiling point of a substance.
The point at which the water starts boiling. Boiling.
During summer days, water is kept in a earthen pot, becomes cool because of phenomenon of yes, the evaporation of water increases under the following conditions: increase in temperature, increase in the temperature rising. The evaporation of water increases under the following conditions: increase in the temperature, decrease in the temperature, increase in the temperature, or rise in the temperature. Increase in the temperature. When heat is constantly supplied by water to boiling water, then of the temperature of water during vaporization
It remains constant at 100 degrees Celsius.
give some examples of latent heat of vaporization.
The steam produces during the pressure change.
Which of the following process release heat: condensation, vaporization, freezing, or melting? Which of the following process release heat: condensation, vaporization, freezing, or melting? Thank you.
Thank you.
Good.
Poem.
the world is one of these three, either a solid like a stone or a pea, or a liquid like water or juice from pear, or a gas like the oxygen found in the air. You can hold solids in your hands and what's more, they won't ever drip on your clothes or the floor. Bigger or smaller, you really can't make them except if you tear them or squash them or break them. Next we have liquid, a quite different matter. They are runny and drippy, they squirt and splatter. To fit the container, they can rearrange, but whatever happens, their volume won't change. Gases will spread out and try to escape, or fill the container and take on its shape. You won't often see them, although you might share. Most gases are see-through like these in the air. Thank you.
Good.